In today's video on Vista Cana Part 2, you will see the latest that's taken place in the Panorama projects. That's Panorama Lake, Panorama Park, Panorama Garden, and Panorama Luxury. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy today's presentation. For those of us who have invested in one of the Panorama projects, this footage just fills us with joy and excitement, knowing that soon we will have the keys to our units in our hands. Many of you have asked me if there were any availabilities in any of these projects, and the answer is yes, but only in Panorama Luxury. They have studios and one-bedroom units available. If you would like to invest in one of these units, shoot me an email to mikemasterspresents@gmail.com. You can also call me or text me direct or via WhatsApp to 484-944-1621. Remember, to block a unit, you would need to send a copy of your passport and driver's license front and back. Or if you have a Dominican cedula, that'll work too. And last but not least, I ask humbly that you like my videos, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and choose all so you get notified as soon as I publish a new video, and share it with others so they too can learn about these opportunities and benefit from my channel's content. If you get a chance, visit my webpage, MikeMastersPresents.com, and see pictures, testimonials, read about how I started with YouTube, and more. And follow me on Instagram at MikeMastersPresents. And that's all I have for today. Until next time, have a great day.